आज के शो पे बैंगलोर के इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स का वंडर का What's up? Welcome to Pepsi Play. What's up? The voice of Youngistan. It is a brand new Monday. But that still means after work. But anyway, the weekend is over and yeah, Valentine's Day finally खत्म हो गया. What else happened on the weekend? बहुत ही पिक्चरें रिलीज हुई थी. For example, Billu, sorry, No Barbers, and 7 pounds Will Smith. अरे यार, and the murder one. And there was one more. He's just on that interview. And अगर आपके boyfriend या girlfriend ने आपको इस पिक्चर को देखने गए थे, right. Anyway, let's go and ask Youngistanis. अगर मुझे कोई मिलेंगे अभी at this time, what is it? Deserted man? What is this college or what? कि वो कौन सी पिक्चर देखना चाहेंगे? Alright, Youngistanis देखो ढूंढ गए मिल गए. आप मुझे बताइए अगर आपको एक choice मिलता है बिल्लू या Will Smith?
बिल्लू.
Obviously, obvious बात है यार. Hello. Okay, and he's just not that into you or the Stone Man murders?
Stone Man. Yeah, he's just not that into you.
Well, this is what these guys had to say. आप जाकर पता करें कि बिग डो पर क्या हो रहा है यार. जाओ. सबसे बड़ा फैड अमंग Youngistanis all over India, चाहे वो बॉम्बे हो, बैंगलोर हो, पुणे हो, कलकत्ता हो या दिल्ली हो, has and continues to be Osho Chappal. पहुंच गए हैं पुणे क्योंकि ये है the birthplace of these chappals. Osho chappals Youngistan के लिए एक फैशन ट्रेंड है. You can get them in every possible color and size और ये पूरे इंडिया में हर जगह अवेलेबल है. आपने Osho chappal क्यों खरीदे?
It's in trend more than your Adidas or whatever. This is in trend.
They look like bathroom chappals, but they're really comfortable. Summers without that is incomplete.
The Firangi is there where it's so people think it's really cool and all that.
Because it's cheap. $50, come on, anyone can buy it. Like.
तो आपके पास कितने रंग के Osho chappal हैं?
मेरे पास blue है, pink है,
Purple,
silver है,
gold,
black metal है,
and red.
6 pairs of Oshos.
6 pairs. I have 2. It's around 50.
7, 8, 3. Max around by 50.
क्या आप मुझे बता सकती हैं कि Osho chappal को Osho chappal क्यों कहते हैं?
We have an Osho International Meditation Center over here. So Osho chappal.
Osho ने उनको पहन के world tour करा. That's why they call it Osho chappal.
They're basically made by the Osho guy.
Because they are made of jute and यहाँ पे Osho commune है.
चलो मुझे तो अपने Osho chappals मिल गए और उसके साथ में ये भी पता लग गया कि इन्हें Osho chappals क्यों कहते हैं. So you guys, girls, go make your style statement with Osho chappals. It's a 6! ये लो 6,000 रुपए. No, I'm not doing this. मेरे को तो क्रिकेट भी नहीं खेल रहा था. मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि शिल्पा शेट्टी है सेट कि अगर उनकी टीम राजस्थान रॉयल्स से किसी ने भी एक सिक्सर मारा ना तो 6,000 रुपए विल बी डोनेटेड टू चैरिटी. अब ये किसके कौन से अकाउंट से जाएगा वो तो हमें नहीं मालूम. बट टिल देन चेक आउट द नेक्स्ट स्टोरी.
नैनो के लिए लाइन तो हिमालय से कन्याकुमारी तक स्ट्रेच होती है. But the students of RV College Bangalore have come up with an awesome new alternative. Let's go check it out. कितना टाइम लगा to make this come true? Like from when it was first conceptualized to getting it on the road?
It was about 2.5 years, roughly.
So do you think these really big companies, you'll give them totally a run for their money, right?
Not really, as in we're still working on a lot of concepts. The moment those concepts click, yeah, I think every company, Tata, Ratan Tata, all of them will be scared.
अगर आपको अपनी कार को एक लाइन में डिस्क्राइब करना पड़े, what would you say about it?
Energy efficient.
It's a figment of our imagination that's been brought into reality. It will save the planet.
But I just realized one thing. ये car might give you 200 kilometers per liter and it might be really cool and all that, but it's also a great place to take a nap.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you know that hopscotch has been voted the #1 playground game ever? Yeah. So while I finish this game, go check out Pepsi What's Up Poll of the Day. With Sonam Kapoor and the Masakali craze catching on, we ask you, have you ever tried balancing a pigeon on your head? SMS hi or na to 5622 and let us know the voice of Youngistan. Friday को हमने आपसे पूछा था, would you like to date an older man or woman? 38% ने कहा हाँ. Dating me? Age no bar यार. 62% ने कहा ना. Age difference से बहुत सारी problems हो सकती है. Oh, email time! Yay! And look, finally violence! Woohoo! Alright, तो पहली email है from Raj Sharma जो नेपाल से है और वो बोल रहे हैं कि I love your show guys. When I watch you, I get some kind of energy in me, you know? I just love your spirit of working. In fact, मैं बहुत ही depressed हूँ क्योंकि मेरा career कहीं नहीं जा रहा. तो मैं क्या करूँ आज तो. Okay, Raz, since I am 21 years of age and I am a VJ, यार मुझे सच में I can't give you advice. I mean, look at where I'm sitting. I'm sitting on the ground. मैं hopscotch में बैठी हूँ यार. तुम मेरी हालत देख. Then you tell me. Anyway, send us more emails on whatsapp@mtvmedia.com. Until then, it's Bunny signing off. Bye. WhatsApp investigates date rape drugs. Coming soon.